Tonight I'm going to show you my new Ninja Foodi postable cooker, it's called. And I just got it this afternoon. And I'm just want to unboxing it, so I'm just going to show you what it is. So let's take it out and show you what it looks like. So at first it comes with a book and a cookbook, different recipes. This is what it looks like, and it has important information if you need to read as well. So I'm going to unpack this. The drop something. Comes with this spatula as well. Let's take this out as well. I'm gonna take this out. Alright, now I unpacked it all just to show you. So that's the scraper it comes with. Now this is the lid, obviously. This is got a non-stick surface on it, so it won't get stuck onto anything. And it comes with a rack as well, if you want to put the rack inside. And that's heater, like a frying pan kind of heater. And this is washable. This can go in the washing machine or you can wash it by hand. Quite simple. And then you got the different settings that I will show you a bit later on once I start cooking. Okay, for our recipe for our new Ninja, we'll do a super simple turkey meatballs and pasta. So I'll show you how I do it. First thing, I'm going to put some dry parsley, some paprika, a teaspoon of minced garlic, about a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. I'm using chicken salt, but you can use any ordinary salt if you feel like it. About a cup of taco breadcrumbs. And because we're using 1 kilo of turkey, I'm going to use 2 eggs onto this as well. Now comes the fun part, where you get to mix it all together. This is very cold. Just keep mixing it till it's all combined together. Now, turkey can be a bit tasteless, so it's okay to add spices if you feel like it. Even hot spices if that's what you like. Anything that you feel that's right, and just add on to it till it's all mixed together. I'm gonna put this in my fridge for about an hour, so I'm ready to do the next thing. Alright, so it's time to create our meatballs. So there's a few ways of doing this. First thing, wet your hands, easier to work with. Just grab a few fingers worth and just create a meatball just like this, just a round meatball. Or you can take a teaspoon, take about a bit more than a teaspoonful, and just create a meatball just like this. So what I'm gonna do is create lots of meatballs, put in this bowl, and we're gonna start frying them. As you see, I only did about half the meatballs. Put some more. This is what I think I can fit into this container, so if I need to, I'll make more. Or you can keep this for tomorrow, put it in the fridge, wrap it up. It's all totally up to you, but I'll show you now what I do next. Alright, now first thing we do, we're gonna, once we plugged it on, it's gonna turn it on. We are going to put it on function, and we're going to put it on braise, I think. Yes, because we're gonna braise it first. We're gonna braise our meatballs. Temperature. Let's see what we can do with the temperature. And time. Let's do it for 7 minutes and then we'll see how we go. So we're gonna start this thing. We're gonna put temperature at high. That way we can do it better. So we're gonna turn it on. Let it heat up a little bit. Once temperature is going up, I'm just going to put some olive oil on the bottom here so we can fry. And I'm going to put my meatballs. I don't know how many I can put in here, so we'll try. Alright, now I put all my meatballs in. I'm just going to let it do its job. And I'm just going to take my spatula once it starts doing its job, and we're going to mix it till it's all cooked. I'm cooking my meatballs and it's about 5 minutes, and look, I try to turn it a few times and it looks like it's cooking really well and quickly, so I suggest you need to work quite quickly with this. Just keep stirring it up so it's all nice and brown. So I eaten a little bit of it to show you. It's nice and juicy inside and it's all brown and cooked. That's how you know it's ready. Alright, now I finished making my meatballs. Just gonna put it aside. It's time to do our onions next. So again, we're gonna set this to stir fries and high, and just put the onions inside, let it spread, and I'm going to add some garlic sauce to it. I don't need to add more olive oil because I already had some on the meat as well. About 2 teaspoons of garlic sauce, and just spread it out and just let it when it first start and just cook. Now our onions are ready. It took me less than a minute to do. Just going to turn this off again. I'm going to set it up now for the pasta. So we're going to go to and steam like 5 brown. Oh, let's go all the way to pasta. And we're just going to turn it on. First thing I want to do is put in some cream. I'm putting in 250 grams of cream, and then I'm going to put some Napolitana sauce. Normally I make my own tomato sauce, but tonight I didn't feel like going that far, so I just had to buy a store-bought one. And then we're going to add our pasta. So there is a line here that says how much to put in, but I'm just going to add some pasta to this. Normally I would use just a one generic pasta, but that's what I have at the moment, so I'm going to add some pasta to this. Next I'm going to add some spinach leaves to it as well, all over as well. I almost forgot some chicken stock. Need about 1 cup of chicken stock to it as well to help it work, do its magic. So last thing I like to do, take my meatballs and put it with the rest of the pasta and just mix it together and just let it simmer together so it's all ready to be made. That's it, and I'll show you once it's done. Alright, now it's all done. I finished it and just wanted to show you what it looks like. I hope you have a great night, and I'll see you for my next recipe. Bye.